Hi guys, welcome to Coinex CSC Talks. So in this video, what we are going to look at is a new project which is deployed in Coinex Smart Chain. So the name of the project is Pocket VR. So here you can create your own VR metaverse. So it's going to be a mini metaverse, and it requires no code. And you can, it what does it enhance is, and what are the features that it has compared to any other project is that it has its own you can add your advertisements, which is like I will show you how it could be looking at. And this is has a metaverse support, and you don't need to code any stuff. You can just need to include the protocol URL of your NFTs, and tada, you will be able to see the NFTs in Pocket VR. So that is their main special thing what they are doing it. So they have like two exploratory galleries for now. They are such demo galleries where you can place your NFTs for now. I think, yeah, most probably there were three you will be able to place it. There is two demos available which you can able to look at it by clicking on demo 2. So this is one of the demo. It's one of the largest gallery, somewhat a medium sized gallery. Let's take it up like that. So this is an example where some of the NFTs are already been minted here. You can see that, right? So let's try to load the second example. So this is the second NFT gallery. So here you see you will be able to place one NFT, and here is the advertisement, which is like it can be used by the projects in future cases. There are a lot of advertisement platforms in case of some other dexes also, so it could be used as advertisement platforms. I'm not sure that it can be, or it might be used for that specific case. And yeah, let's take a look at their white paper. Yeah, they have a light paper. Just let's explore it. So virtual reality on-chain art galleries and public beta developed for MetaFi hackathon. Okay, executive summary. It's Pocket, not poker. So it's a D app backed by Coinex Smart Chain that allows visual artists to create a private virtual art galleries. So for each painting there is one NFT owned by the artist itself himself. So they can be represented by ERC 721 standard, as CSE has CVM compatibility, and they can be accessed by regular links using a virtual reality capable browser. MetaQuest, Pico, Value Index, HTC, Vive. No app installation is required, and visitors don't need a crypto wallet or a knowledge of crypto technologies to enjoy the galleries. So it is developed as Pocket VR at Art. You will be able to explore it. Supposed to be for NFT selling ads inside the galleries. I told you, right? So there are going to be ads inside the galleries, and paid access for the galleries among client app improvements. That's how it's going to be. Like, you have developed a beautiful gallery, so you have museums, right? So you have to pay amount in order to view it. So it's going to be in a similar way, as it also has the VR capabilities already. So it's definitely worth it to pay and have a look at it, right? So there might be, instead of just single NFTs like images, there might be some very beautiful stuff might be there available. And it adheres to the principle of decentralization. Yeah, it's powered by Coinex Smart Chain. Front end is a open source MIT license web app application running on GitHub pages. You can clone and you can also host it. And it's not want to create a new tokenized economy. It's going to use CET, of course. Then open source, no node. So user goes to an instance on the front end, this Pocket VR, and starts by choosing a gallery model. These are VR ready 3D models of different types of art galleries designed to hold different paintings. So there are going to be different galleries that are going to be available in the future. So here you see, right, as I already told, they are going to be animated GIF in the future. You can exhibit a painting, specify a name and a canvas ratio. So data input, a preview of paintings in the selector can be requested. A 2D version of the VR environment will be rendered in the browser. So this is their the whole thing, how it will be working it. One CET is sent to the Pocket VR team. So this means all metadata regarding the selected gallery and the painting sent to CSC in the form of ERC 721 based contract. I guess we need to take a look at it. Pocket VR out. It's a new gallery index, paint index. So it's going to be an array type, and mint paintings as of NFTs transfer on CTP. The recipe comes here. It directed to the Pocket VR. You get a contract ID. So you get the paintings from CSE and show it here in Pocket VR. So the VR session, if you enable it, you will be able to see it in VR. So that is how the chart here is. So here you see, right, the new contract generated by the DApp, it's minting 4 paintings, cost around 5 CET, and it is done in less than 5 seconds. In general, 10 to 15 cents of dollar for each gallery at the time of writing this document. So the CSE is very less fee and very high efficiency. It is most of the people are preferring to deploy in Coinex Smart Chain. Finally, the ID of the contract becomes a part of the URL, and consumers can use it inside the virtual reality browser. And you see this person was able to view it. We already see it in the live, I guess. So this person was showing a demo how it was looking in the VR also. So yeah, they have, let's take a look what is their future goals and what they want to do. There are several improvements in the pipeline of the front end in order to make it easier to use in a flat browser and in VR along with new art galleries. So what is going to be the main milestone for Pocket VR is going to be a system of independent private NFT marketplace. So it's going to be a private NFT marketplace. Okay, I already thought how it's going to be different from any other marketplace. So they are going to be having a private. So you have to pay to view it and those things, right? It's going to be even an auction based, like the viewers can be real at the present time. Let's say there is going to be an auction and they can connect their VR and use a VR supported browser. They can be participating in the auction at the live time, and they can make a bidding, and those who wins directly get it. So it's really a great idea. So they are bringing the people closer together, right? So it's very good. It also gives you the expressiveness of the whatever they are doing it in live. So secondly, a paid gate system for the artist to allow entrance to the gallery after a ticket is bought in CT. Okay, so this is with respect to the point that I already told, similar to a museum concept. And finally, a basic AD system to allow publishers to add dynamic content in the galleries. So this dynamic system is going to be used for ads. So yeah, that's really a cool idea. So it's open source and very willing to collaborate with developers that want to improve the project even further. New ideas are always come. This is a team. This is a guy who did this much work. It's really a great thing what he's doing. So yeah, it's really a cool project, and we can also create our own VR galleries. I think I should have. Okay. At present, you can see, right, these are the 3 galleries. Choose any one. Like this has only 2 paintings, I guess. Yeah, you can place 2. Yeah, 2 or 4, I guess. 4 paintings. Yeah, and place 4 paintings. You need to choose a canvas size, and you need to have a name. And this is the NFT's URL protocol. So we will look into detail how to get this URL protocol. Of using MetaMask, you can get it. Yeah, let's take a look at it after sometime when we are able to have this thing tested and check it out in Coinex Smart Chain. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to Coinex CSC Talks for more informative and updates on any projects on Coinex Smart Chain.